Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's go to a country now in South America that's known for its beautiful beaches, beautiful women, and world champion soccer teams. This country has also given to the world some wonderful music with things like the samba and the bossa nova. The place is, of course, Brazil, and Brazil's most famous composer is a guy by the name of Antonio Carlos Jobim, or Tom Jobim as he's known to his friends. Jobim was an extremely talented individual. He wrote over 500 tunes during his lifetime, many of which became great successes all around the world. Tunes like The Girl from Ipanema, Corcovado, Desafinado, many, many others. I'd like to feature a couple guys in the band tonight with me. We're going to hear from Jorge on the drums and Santana on the congas as we play for you now a tribute to this great writer who once said he learned his songs from the birds of the Brazilian forest.
Thank you.